Hello everyone, welcome ulit sa RPH TV. So we are back with our Formula 1 series and we got this Minitin 2022 Turbo Attacks. Yan. So let's check it out after this intro. And we got this pack guys or box online and kadarating lang niya. As you can see on our previous videos, you already got yung red and yung blue. And with this one kasi there are 3 sets. So yun nga, green, blue and red, and each tin can has 36 base card plus 2 guaranteed limited edition cards. And yun, so huwag natin patagalan, let's check out kung ano laman ng ating nakuhang box. And let's open now. So yan, we tore apart yung box. And what's inside is yun nga, yung 36 card set plus itong ating mahirap tanggalin na exclusive cards. Ayan. So medyo marami ulito makapal and we'll have to get yung half muna. Half. So yan, so for first card, yung medyo sa Formula 1 si Lando Norris, and with McLaren we got off the track Carlos Sainz, Hero Valtteri Bottas, Carlos Sainz na live action Ferrari, Formula 1 car na has F1 team. And we got Sebastian Vettel. So si Sebastian Vettel pala is nag-retire na. We got F2 hero si Juri Vips. We got Lance Stroll live action, Esteban Ocon live action, Formula 1 car AMG Petronas. We got a Formula 1 car BWT Alpine, and we got another F2 hero si Marino Sato. We got Max Verstappen epic moment. So Formula 1 Dutch Grand Prix September 5th. We got Yuki Tsunoda live action and Trackmaster Sergio Perez Oracle Red Bull. Then for the next set of cards, and so we got Pierre Gasly Formula 1, Max Verstappen live action, and to Belgian Grand Prix 2021. So Team Trio F3, we got Speedster Esteban Ocon, we got Nicolas Latifi of Williams Racing, Fernando Alonso of the track, we got Lance Stroll live action, hero Logan Sargent F2, we got live action Sebastian Vettel of the track, Carlos Sainz, Frederic Vasseur team principal, another Carlos Sainz epic moment, and we got Oracle Red Bull Racing Max Verstappen silver, yun lang, medyo sama ng corner niya. And we got AMG Petronas. This would be si yan, Lewis Hamilton. Ba't gano'n ang kanyang corner naka-open ang sama? Ay, sayang. Got Lewis Hamilton pa naman. And we got BWT Alpine Grand Prix Booster. May tama rin ang corner, sayang. Cognizant Aramco Grand Prix Booster, Lance Stroll. And yun, ang ating may tama rin sa dulo na 100 Club, si Pierre Gasly. Sayang guys, ang ano ng kanya mga corners. Well, I think it's natural. Most ng mga nakabuksan talaga natin, especially sa mga tin cans, medyo ano, and sayang tops. But what to expect, these are actually one of the cheaper cards kasi ni tops ng Formula 1. They also have yung tops chrome, yun medyo high end. So siguro pag if we will be able to get our hands on it, hopefully makakuha tayo and we'll be able to open one at makita natin, hopefully maganda yung ano doon, packaging and quality, para hindi yung ganito na ang daming sayang. And we got the exclusive, we got a silver Charles Leclerc. I think second copy na natin to. Then we got a diamond ni Zhu Guan Yu. I think second copy rin natin to. Then we got this, the tin can exclusive Lewis Hamilton. Yun, ito medyo maganda yung card. May konting ano lang sa edge. And we got Valtteri Bottas, Yuki Tsunoda, and F2 ni Jack Doohan. May naligaw na F2. So yan, sort out muna natin siya and check natin mga magaganda nating nakuha. So these are the cards that we got guys from this Turbo Attacks tin can, mini tin can. So this is actually the 2022 and medyo mahirap nang humanap ngayon ng 2022 guys kasi lumabas na yung 2023 and I have not started collecting pa yung 2023. Tinatry ko kasing buuin yung set ng 2022. So with that, the exclusive cards that we got is this Diamond Limited Edition ni Zhu Guan Yu. I think both of these are second copy na. So these are the base cards and I'll sort them out mamaya, ilalagay natin sa folder natin, so we'll be able to see which one are the second copies na din. I'm just disappointed guys dito sa ating mga gray cards. So ito pa naman inaabangan natin, but all of them may problem sa corner. So hopefully if Tops would be able to improve their packaging, kasi para sa mga collectors, 'di ba? Hanap naman natin yung maayos na cards. And these are the tin can exclusive. So we got yung EX9, 10, 11 and 12 topped by our favorite si Lewis Hamilton. So we're able to get 2 Lewis Hamilton cards here. Yun nga lang, yung isa medyo ang pangit ng cornering. So yeah, with that guys, I would like to give a big shout out sa ating mga members na si Hampas Lupang Burgis, si BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, John RT Vlogs, Taste and si Baitesha, si Mami Mads Helen, and si Mami Bell Sato. By the way guys, si John RT Vlogs, I think yung channel niya na ngayon is si Mimi and Yuki, yung dalawa niyang babies. And also big shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan na mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors guys. Especially sa mga nagko-collect ng Formula 1. I think di siya masyadong common dito sa Philippines, but I know some people na nagko-collect din. Big shoutout kay Boss Bibo yan. Favorite niya si Lewis Hamilton. And kung nagustuhan niyo ito guys, please do leave a like, and sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel, Tower PH TV, where we talk about different types of collections and investments. And share na rin sa mga kaibigan natin para mas lumaki pa yung ating following. And if you are into gaming naman guys, please do subscribe to our other channel, Tower PH Gaming, where you can experience the excitement. So, dyan naman natin ina-upload guys yung ating mga favorite online games. So again guys, maraming salamat sa pag-join dito sa ating quick video, and hopefully makakuha pa tayo ng other Turbo Attacks products, yung mga packs and yung big tin cans yun. I think yung dalawa hindi pa ako nakakakuha. So hopefully may mahanap tayong mapagkukuhanan again. So para makapag-open din tayo, and maybe soon baka umpisahan na natin yung Turbo Attacks 2023, and hopefully also yung ating mga Topps Chrome na Formula 1. So if you are into Formula 1 guys, I hope nag-enjoy kayo, and kita-kita ulit tayo sa ating mga susunod pang mga video guys. Maraming salamat.